bamboo is so hard we can't even get through it here with the excavator right now. He's trying to slam it and break it up. Watch the whole thing picked up. See how the excavator is rocking? See? Trying to pick it up and pulling it back in right up. Don't ever plant bamboo. Starting to break loose a little bit. Look at the size of those roots. If you ever plant bamboo in your yard, this is what you can expect. There's one reason right there not to do it. We still got a lot to get out yet over here. All this ground in there is just filled with bamboo roots. See there where it's digging in. There's a honeycomb of them under the ground there. And if you look here, one coming up here, bamboo coming up there, bamboo coming up here. Here by my chute, the brand new bamboo coming up. We gotta dig all of this out. I'm about to get like a dump truck load of fill dirt to fill this back in with, because we can't use any of this dirt. It's got all the roots in it. All those roots. Roots hanging out of the bucket. Awful stuff.